What's up, guys? Oh man, I just got finished with the Dan John 10,000 kettlebell programming challenge, whatever you want to call it. It was a beast. I was looking for something. Obviously, if you guys are watching this in the future or whenever, we're in the middle of a pandemic, gyms are closed, and it's been hard to get a workout in, especially if you have no equipment. So I waited 2 to 3 months. Finally was able to get a Rogue kettlebell, and this thing's been a lifesaver. So I got it, did some research into programming that I could do, found the Dan John 10,000 swing challenge, and I took it on. Did it over 5 weeks. Would do 2 days on, 1 day off. So I do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday I would do something active. I'd go surfing. Thursday, Friday on, and then take the weekend off, whether it be hiking, swimming, doing something to stay active and loose. I'm going to get in right now to my very last workout. I put together a little edit. I'm just going to do one round, and then I'll come back, give you guys some tips and some things I would have done differently, and let you know final results. So check this out. I'm still sweating. That was my very last workout. Kind of bummed it's over because now I don't know what I'm going to do. I might do it again in a month or so, but it was awesome. Some of the tips that I suggest, definitely go down when you're counting. Basically you break it down from 10, 15, 25, 50, and then in between you do a workout. As you see in the workout I did goblet squats with the kettlebell. Something that helped me a lot was counting down. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 15, 14, 13, 50, 49, 48, 47, you get it. It just helped me keep going and not lose count. Another thing, highly recommend, get some earbuds, put some music on, because this thing is a beast and you need some of that extra oomph to get you going. Other things, I'm not going to teach you how to do a kettlebell swing. You guys can learn that elsewhere. But really make sure you squeeze your butt at the top of the swing. It really helps, saves your back a lot. first week that I was doing this, oh man, I was dying. I was sore as could be, and I realized I wasn't squeezing my butt at the top of the kettlebell swing, and that really helped. But the workouts get way easier as the weeks progress. Your cardio builds up like crazy. The vascularity in your arms, all over, that pumps. I lost about probably 6-7 pounds. I don't have much to lose. I'm a slim dude, but definitely saw definition in my abs, my obliques, back, shoulder. Your legs are going to be toast. It's just a crazy workout. I really enjoyed it. One of the regrets that I had, I wish I went heavier kettlebell. I only could get a 35 pounder, but it's really hard. It's hard to find any kettlebells right now. So when I signed up for Rogue, they just released a bunch of kettlebells made in the USA, and they were literally the only ones available were 35. So I snapped that up real quick, and it was good. I mean, 35 was fine. I would definitely go heavier next time, something in the 50s for guys, even more. The only other kettlebells I could find were in like the 100 pounds, and that's crazy. But anyways, if anyone has any questions, just comment down below. Be happy to answer them, let you know my experience, and get out there and get after it, man. See ya.